Hi guys. We are Sounds Good,
Start
your iMessage text as a music. So these days, iMessage allows users to express themselves in different forms, mostly text, but also images and media created by users and by other users. But what about if AI can open up some new possibilities to express yourself? In fact, Apple has already sort of an AI tool which user can generate emojis which do not exist currently in emojis which on the phone. And what if we can do it in the music? For example, user type a message to a friend, but send it as a song. Introducing Sounds Good. And live demo. So I'm in iMessage. I'm going to iMessage extension. And I type in, hi, how are you doing? Do you want to grab a coffee today? And I select it. And while it is generating, I want to quickly explain how does it work. So we use Suno API. Then we find the specific lyrics which user specified. We also generate the lyrics for this small text. And then after that, we have some stem separation. And we only send the hook to the user, not the entire song. And after that, actually, the music is already there. We can preview it.
Hey there, how's your morning going? Got a little spark, a feeling that's growing. Do you wanna grab a coffee? Just us two. I've been waiting all day to catch up with you.
All right, and then we can send it, and it will be sent as as a music which user on the other side can actually play.
There, how's your morning going? Got a little.
So this is the demo, and guys, if you like it, we have a waitlist open. So please scan. And I also want to shout out to my team, which are here behind the scene. And yeah, thanks.